So when the pathogens enter our body, the macrophages or the phagocytes, they detect the pathogen as a foreign particle, right? And it directly goes, and our body, our immune system will not allow any foreign particle to enter our body and infect our body or harm our body. So the macrophages
Yes.
or the phagocytes, they will directly go and they will digest it. They by the process of phagocytosis, they will engulf it,
Yes.
digest it,
Yes,
and they
they have
will
some
kill
And
the
they will
enzymes
kill
bacteria.
them.
They have some
They will
enzyme
kill
that
the
will
bacteria.
digest
So,
them.
so this is how they will protect our body from those bacteria and the bacterial diseases or infections. But for this, bacteria is also a unicellular organism, okay? And our body is also composed of, is made up of so many cells, right? So the macrophage or the phagocyte must identify or differentiate the host. Who is the host? I am the host, or we are the hosts into the
Yes.
Hmm.
body of into our body. The bacteria has entered. So the phagocyte must differentiate between the host normal cell and the bacterial cell, right? It must have the ability to differentiate that this is the host cell, I will not harm it, and this is the bacterial cell, this is the pathogen, I will kill it. So the macrophage must have that idea that which one is the host cell and which one is the bacterial cell. If it fails to identify the bacterial cell or differentiate between the bacterial cell and the host cell, what will happen? The macrophage, what is the common nature of macrophage? It will just capture the cell and digest it, right? This is how it kills the bacteria. Now, if the macrophage is not able to identify or differentiate between a bacterial cell with the host's normal cell, so the macrophage will go and directly start digesting the host's normal cells. Now, what will happen? My own immune system, my own macrophage will kill my own body cells instead of killing the pathogens. Is it clear? So my own immune system will harm me.
The macrophage
Is
is a
it clear?
vaccine.
No. Macrophage is the cell. Macrophage is phagocyte. Phagocytes are also called macrophages, right? You have learnt it before. Phagocytes and macrophages, they are same. Okay. What do? They kill the bacterial cells by the process of phagocytosis. They directly go and digest it. So I have shown you before that if this is the macrophage or phagocyte,
Yes,
and if
ma'am. We
this is
know
the
the diagram also.
bacterial cell, so
Yes,
what will
ma'am.
happen? It will directly go and it will just engulf it, it will digest it,
Yes.
like it will cover it like this, and after some time the bacteria will enter the body phagocytes, enter the cell of the phagocyte, and then the phagocyte will secrete some enzymes and it will directly digest it, it will kill the virus or
Yes.
bacteria.
You are only
Now for
checking
this,
out how that
suppose
phagocyte can understand the cell of a pathogen or a host body cell.
this is the ability of the phagocytes, this is the ability of the macrophages, that they can differentiate between the bacterial cells or viruses
Normal
and
cells.
the body cells, normal cells. But if they fail to identify, if they fail to detect the bacterial cells or differentiate the bacterial cells with the host's own cells, then what happens? So their common function, common nature is to go capture the cell and digest it. So the same
Engulfing.
thing it also does with the host cell. So the macrophage of the host cell is supposed to protect the host, right, from the pathogens. But
Yes,
now
from
what
the pathogen.
happens, as there is a malfunctioning, this is what we call malfunctioning. That also happens with our malfunctioning, can happen with any kind of tool also, like the laptops and computers, television, electronic,
Yes.
any electronic gadget that you use,
Malfunction.
the mobile phone. Sometimes malfunctioning happens. That means you click somewhere and it is actually clicking somewhere else, right?
Somewhere.
You're
Yes.
clicking at a particular folder, but another folder is getting opened. That means your
Yes.
system is not working properly. There is some
It gets
problem.
Yes.
hang. with hand.
The same thing happens here also. So your macrophage or the phagocyte is supposed to digest and kill the bacterial cells,
Pathogens.
but yes, the pathogens, but it is actually not digesting the pathogens. It is not killing the pathogens. It is killing your own our own body cells.
Own body cell.
Yes.
Yes.
So as the macrophage is killing our own body cells, so we will get sick and we will get ill very easily. So this is what is called autoimmune disease. Auto means your own or self. Okay, that means our own
Automatic.
immune system.
Our cells.
Our own immune system harms us. Okay, let's see what is written here. See,
Mm.
our immune system is very effective in protecting us against many different infectious diseases. But sometimes things go wrong and it attacks parts of our own bodies. Okay, so when it fails to detect it, when things go wrong, lymphocytes
Yes, ma'am.
normally respond to foreign cells. I have just told you foreign cells means
Yes.
what? Foreign means what? Foreigner
And that
means
the
what?
which
Outside
pathogens
cell.
enter our body many times.
Anyone who comes from outside. Okay, you also know foreigner people. They come from another
Yes,
country. They are
outside.
called foreigners. So foreign cell means also what? The cell that enters our body from the outside. That means the pathogens. Okay, pathogens are called the foreign cells. Now lymphocytes normally respond to the foreign cells that enter our body. They recognize our own cells as self and do not produce the antibodies against them. So the lymphocytes, here particularly the macrophage or phagocyte. Okay, so the lymphocytes that perform this activity, they are called macrophage or phagocyte. So these lymphocytes have that natural ability to differentiate the foreign cells and self. What is self? Self means the cells of the normal cells, body cells of the host, of the person. Okay, so there are two types of cells. When a bacteria, suppose a bacterial cell, a bacteria which is a pathogen, it has entered your body. So now in your body, two types of cells will be there. One type of cells, the phagocyte or lymphocytes, they will detect it as self. Self means the cells of your own body. And another type of cells that are present in the body, they are the foreign cells or foreign particles. Foreign cells. So
Yes.
these foreign cells have entered the body from outside. That means these are the pathogens. So the
Pathogens.
lymphocytes or phagocytes or macrophages, all are same. Okay. So the phagocytes have the natural
Only
ability.
understand.
And these are the two parts of phagocytes.
No, these are the
Two
two types of
cells.
the cells. So self means your own cell, our own body cells. And
Yes.
foreign cells
Whole
are the
cell.
cells that enter our body
Pathogens.
outer source or from outside. They are the pathogens. Now phagocytes have the natural ability to differentiate between them. So phagocytes identify our own body cells as self and they do not create any antibodies against the self, and or they do not act on the self. Self means our own cells. If they act on our own cells, they will kill it and we will be affected. Okay,
We
but
will.
the phagocytes identify or they can identify the pathogens as foreign cells, and they when they identify or detect the foreign cells, then they start acting and then they start making antibodies, or they will just they can just kill the foreign cells by phagocytosis process. Okay, so this is the natural characteristic of phagocytes. It can easily differentiate between our own cell and the foreign cell or pathogen. But what if there is something wrong? Anything goes wrong, that means the phagocytes or the macrophages or lymphocytes, if they don't work properly, then what will happen? they will fail to differentiate between the self and the foreign cell. That means our own cell
Hmm.
and the pathogen. And it will start killing our own cells. Diseases, see, it is also written here in
By
this
the
line.
process of phagocytosis.
Diseases that result from this kind of malfunctioning of the immune system, that is called autoimmune disease. When the immune system doesn't function properly, the way it should function, it doesn't function properly. That is called autoimmune disease. For example, type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is one kind of autoimmune disease. The pancreas, so what happens in type 1 diabetes? Let's see it. The pancreas is a gland that that lies just beneath the stomach. So you all know where pancreas is situated. You have learned it in the digestive system.
Yes, ma'am.
As you
Yes.
have seen, it makes juices containing,
Pancreatic
as you
juices.
have seen, so what is the function of the pancreas? It makes juices containing enzymes that help to digest the food, right? So pancreatic juices, you have learned about it.
Hmm. Yes,
About
ma'am.
pancreatic juices. So the pancreatic juices contain some enzymes. What kind of enzymes? The enzymes that help to digest our food, right? Now
Hmm.
what happens here?
HCl.
No,
No,
HCl is
HCl
secreted
stomach.
HCl is secreted in the
Stomach.
stomach. Pancreas secretes the pancreatic juice, but it has another function too. It makes the hormones that help to control the concentration of glucose in the blood. Can you tell the name of the hormone? This one also you have learned.
Adrenaline.
Yes, show me. You are telling anything?
No, ma'am. Tell the question once.
So the hormone that is secreted by the pancreas or that is present in the pancreatic juice that helps to control the glucose level in our body. Okay, search it, think about it. I will not tell the answer. Okay, you have already learned it in the previous chapter when in the digestive system. Okay, that chapter. So you will tell me the answer. Search it or think about it. If you can
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
it. So I'm not
5
telling it.
minutes.
So it makes the hormone that lowers the or that helps to maintain the glucose level or concentration of the glucose in our blood. So what happens here actually, you can read it in chapter 14. See, the name of the chapter is also given here. You have already read it actually. One of the hormones produced by the pancreas is, you don't need to look too long or to another chapter. You see it is, now also you can't tell it. Okay, I can't give you more
Yes,
time.
ma'am. Insulin. Insulin.
Yes, and you have also learned the insulin production in laboratory. See, remember, right? And you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
learned the whole process, that how insulin lowers the glucose concentration in our blood, the whole process. So I'm not explaining it again. So this hormone is made when the blood glucose concentration rises above normal, and it brings about events that cause the concentration to fall. Insulin is made by a particular type of cell in the pancreas called the beta cells, that is present in the islets of Langerhans. Can you remember that in pancreas there is a particular place called islets of Langerhans? The beta cells of the islets of Langerhans, they are responsible for the insulin production in our body, and that insulin is then responsible for maintaining the blood glucose, the glucose concentration in our blood. Okay, if the glucose concentration becomes too high, then it helps to lower the concentration of the glucose. This is the normal thing, a normal procedure that happens. In some people, the cells of their immune system, they attack the beta cells and destroy them. No one understands exactly why this happens. It most commonly happens when a person is very young, and so type 1 diabetes usually develops in children rather than adults. Okay, I have something to tell you here. So what happens? So we all know that you have already learned these things, that what is diabetes. You have already learned it in the chapter of digestive systems. Okay.
Yes,
So can
ma'am,
anyone just tell me in short, any one of you just tell me in short that what is diabetes? You have already learned it. This is why I'm not telling it. You tell me what is diabetes. Everyone else, you have just stopped sharing the video. Share the video. Everyone just turn on the video. No one should turn off the video. Everyone present in the class, turn on the video. Okay. Now it's okay. Only Saimuddin has turned on the video. Everyone turn on the video. So can you tell me what is diabetes? At least try. You have already learned it. Arijit, Saimuddin, or anyone else, Aditya? Okay. So
Mainly diabetes.
ma'am.
Disease that results a lot of sugar in our body.
Diabetes
yes.
is a
What
disease
happens?
that caused by lots of sugar.
Yes, what Aditya said, that is the correct answer actually. So when the glucose concentration in our blood that increases, right? That increases than our than the normal glucose level. The glucose concentration in the blood increases. Now, why the glucose concentration in the blood increases? Because there is in our pancreas there is a part that is called islets of Langerhans, and the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans, they produce the hormone called insulin. That insulin is responsible. So this is the function of the insulin, to whenever the glucose concentration will increase in our blood, the insulin will go and it will just reduce it. This is how insulin maintains a normal glucose concentration in our blood. Because if the glucose concentration increases in our blood, the normal body fluids, the fluids from the cells, they will just come out of the cell. As the outer concentration is higher, and the concentration, if the glucose concentration in our blood increases, then as the outer concentration becomes higher and the concentration of the fluid inside our cell still becomes lower, then the internal fluids of the cells will go out of the cells and the cells will die. This is how we can even die due to multi-organ failure, as the cells will start dying. So we must lower the glucose concentration from our blood. And normally, who is responsible for doing this? Who has this responsibility to do this work, to lower the glucose level? The insulin.
Insulin.
It lowers the glucose concentration from our blood. And again, I'm telling, the insulin is secreted by the beta cells of islets of Langerhans present in our pancreas. Now, as we grow
Islets
older,
of Langerhans.
after a certain or particular age, after 45, 50 years, so the cells of the islets of Langerhans, they do not work properly. They are not able to produce the insulin at that amount that is required for our body. Then the diabetes that we get, the type 2 diabetes, or the type of diabetes we get, that is quite natural. That happens due to the old age. But one type of diabetes, that is the type 1 diabetes, it happens, it can be seen in the children. So there is no reason that why the insulin will not be produced in children, because all the cells are very much new and fresh, and children are very much capable of protecting their bodies from outer sources, from outer pathogens or foreign cells. So why the children will get the diabetes? Because diabetes is a disease that is only produced when the insulin secretion is not proper. So in case of children, that should not happen. If it is happening in a body of an aged person, then we can say that yes, it is due to age. The cells are
Above
not working
40.
properly. but the children are having type 1 diabetes. What is the reason? The reason is that the only reason is that insulin is not being produced. This is the only cause that the
Yes.
diabetes will occur, for which the diabetes will occur. Now, why the insulin is not being produced in the body of children? Because the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans present in their pancreas, they are not working properly or they are killed. So here in case of type 1 diabetes, the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans are continuously killed. Who kills them? Here is the question. Who kills the beta cells of islets of Langerhans in the bodies of these children having type 1 diabetes? And the solution, the answer that we get is the child's own immune system. The child's own immune system, the child's own macrophage or phagocyte that's supposed to kill that's supposed to protect the child's body from the pathogens, they malfunction. If they do not function properly, if they fail to function properly, they cannot differentiate between a foreign cell, between a pathogen and the child's own body cells. They directly go and attack. It is clearly written here. You see, they directly go the child's own macrophage or phagocyte. They go and attack the beta cells present in the islets of Langerhans. They attack means they will digest it and they will kill it. And as the beta cells are killed continuously, there is no more cell that will produce the insulin. Due to this lack of insulin production, what happens? The glucose level in their blood continuously increases. The type 1 diabetes in children, not in the aged person, in children. Okay. So this is what happens. This is how the disease occurs. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am, clear.
So it's very interesting, isn't it? Because the diseases that are quite natural and common in aged people or in the old ages, that diseases can also be seen in the children. Why it happens? It should not happen. That means some part of in the body they are not working properly. So the child's own immune system is killing his own cells.
And small function.
And this is very dangerous also, because treating the autoimmune diseases, it's very difficult. Okay, because if we need to treat it, we will have to harm or we will have to kill our own cells first. The same thing what happens with viruses also. I've told you the viruses generally replicate within the host cell. So if we want to kill the virus, the host cells will be killed. So this is how it becomes when any new viral strain appears in our society. It takes a lot of time for the scientists to make the vaccine or to start the treatment, because until or unless we don't know the nature of the virus, how it replicates, how it increases, how it spreads, and how it causes the disease, the process of infection.
Yes,
okay, this is why it takes a lot of time. Okay, so that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the time now? It's already 9:37. So okay, tomorrow we will start this end of chapter questions. Read the chapter very well. I hope that you will give me the answers. I will not tell a single answer from this exercise. Only if any question is there that is that you will have to think a lot, that is not directly from the book, you can't give the answer, I will definitely tell that. But the questions that are the answers get it directly from the book, I will not tell the answers. Okay, so read the book. I will ask you the questions first, then we will solve it. Okay. So now let
Give
me check.
1 and 2 as homework.